I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing the updated Live Football TV app and signing in. This gives you access to personalized schedules and streaming rights. Once installed, create or confirm your account and verify email to unlock full features. Make sure to grant location and notification permissions so the app can show nearby matches and send kickoff alerts. If a payment is required for premium, add your card now. Otherwise, skip to the home feed to begin selecting leagues and channels you follow. Now locate your match using the search bar or the league filter, because navigating directly saves time and prevents missing kickoff. Once you pick a stream, choose video quality and audio language. Higher bitrates look better but use more data. If you prefer TV viewing, tap Cast or select an external player to send the feed to a smart TV or HDMI dongle. Also check commentary options and subtitle settings so you get the right language and match context while watching. Begin playback and use DVR or record features to capture goals and critical moments. This is essential for reviewing or sharing highlights. While watching, monitor your connection. If buffering happens, switch servers, lower quality, or reconnect Wi-Fi to stabilize playback. Once done, save clips to your library and sign out if on a shared device. If you still face problems, restart the app, clear cache, and contact support with your account ID. This speeds up diagnosis and restores full service quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.